Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and we're going to continue our conversation and questions about court procedures. And today we're going to talk a little bit about, or if Tina, if you can explain for us, what can be achieved at an initial appearance when we're discussing violations as they relate to support.
Okay, a violation petition is actually quasi-criminal in nature because the ramifications of the court finding that you actually willfully violated a court order, they can throw you in jail. Okay, that is one of the penalties. So you need to be very, very concerned if you have a petition served on you that said they're seeking to violate you because you didn't pay what you were required to pay. So just remember that, quasi-criminal, and this is one of the few times where you'll need a lawyer. And if you can't afford one, find out how you can qualify for one, like we told you earlier in one of our earlier videos. So again, on one of these petitions, if you have an initial appearance, if you can't afford an attorney, the court will assign an attorney to you and let you qualify or not qualify, or if you want to represent yourself, that's an option, or you hire a lawyer to represent you through this process. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to be found to have willfully violated a support order. So non-willful, you won't go to jail, but doesn't mean you're not going to pay what you were supposed to pay. It just meant you have a defense for not paying. And that could mean, you know what, you didn't have enough money to survive for the last couple months. Something happened to your financial home where you couldn't meet all your bills. So remember, if you can't afford to pay your current support obligation or any of the numerous add-ons such as unreimbursed expenses, medical insurance, or daycare, you need to file before a violation petition is even a lingering thought in the other side's head. So remember, if there's bad financial times for you, file a petition seeking a downward modification. Don't wait till you get served with a violation petition. And again, watch our other videos when Tim and I will go into some examples and back and forth banter about it. Okay, check us out.